Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick tutorial how to change the spark plugs and coils. We're talking about Hyundai coils. We're talking about like branded items. Whole this thing is going to be replaced with less than 1 hour, and you're gonna save $600. I'll show the order you can buy in my description. Go to description, the link, so you can buy something like this under $100 for all four with the spark plugs, where the dealer is gonna charge you only $170. Or you can buy this in the stores, not a Hyundai brand, but something else, somewhere between $97 and expect something $135. So this is from the dealer. It costs about $170. This is at the dealer is $25. So $100 on the spark plugs you saving, and on the coils you saving. This is a less than $100 and 175, 400, 140, 150. So about $700. You save about $600. Okay, let's go ahead and do this quick tutorial how to change it. You will need a socket for the plug removal. I just use something general, and ratchets and wrenches. Let's see. So process is very simple, and I'll show you what else to check, what to expect. This is a Hyundai Elantra, but on many models they look like the same. So the cover itself is pretty easy to pull, just like pull up like this. You'll find 1, 2, 3, 4 rubber rings that hold the thing in place. Next thing, some people disconnect battery, I do not. So over here, the little lever, you have to push it down like this, up. You can use finger, just like that. Pop, pop, pop. Make sure, remember which ones go where. This is number 1. This is kind of go in a row, 1, 2, 3. You can't miss that. We have one that is Del Sol new, and we got 2 other ones that is look like something that shouldn't be there. So the first socket is a number 10, and usually go just like that. Gently pull straight ahead. That's what we have here, and this is a new one right here. And this guy right here is nearly brand new. I'm not gonna put this on eBay. If anybody interested, go ahead and buy this in a half a price. We pay $92 for this one plus tax. Next thing is to remove. I use this socket with the rubber inside. You probably see this rubber pad to hold that thing in place. I use quarter extension. So this piece is rubber inside. Help to stay in place the socket head. A little tip for those who see this video: if your coils fail, you can do the quick fix. Take the spark plug out and knock this lever here. Make that contact a little bit smaller. What this gonna do, increase the spark. So if your coil is running out of the juice, to make it a smaller connector over here, you fix your issue temporarily, but you need to still replace the part if it starts failing. We'll start plugging our new NKG. The problem with the sockets that I have, I'll show you. I need to use a tape because the rubber piece is very strong to hold this thing in place, and this is always pop up like loose like this. I'll just put a piece of tape over, something as such, so it's not disconnect when I'm working on it. One, two, we got all three more to go. Some people use the special wrenches to tie this thing, but I use my hands. You have to put about 16 pounds of pressure on this thing. Guys, my hands is very strong, so no worries breaking anything. And I'm tied in well. Okay, the next thing is our coils. Slide them all the way in. Some people has oil over here. That's because this head cover has a gasket inside of each plug connector, just like somewhere here. And those gaskets get loose. That's a very common for the vehicles problems. Usually take the heads off and replace those gaskets. Okay, this is retail repair. 30 minutes fix and less than $100 parts. All the parts are OEM. It'll take a little while for them to ship it, but it work on all the Hyundais and on many Hyundais and Kias. So the seller is in the United States. Shipping will take about 5 days, and the guys even accept a little offer. All right, all done. Let's go ahead and check the oil really quick. I always do when I inside the engine. And the oil is about a half. I know it's warm, so it's about half of it. Always make sure you got enough oil. And let's go ahead and test this puppy. Okay, we added some oil. And put this cover back on. And let's go ahead and start it. Give me a second. And the vehicle has worked like a clock. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and share. So this is a part we use, and this is spark plugs we use, in case you want to see the part brand. I will going to leave this all in the description. This is OM Parts. Thanks so much. Have a good day.